Businesses lose competitive edge if you are missing a creative and innovative workforce. Being able to think creatively means you are tapping, you are going into an unconventional thinking approach. This is so that you can look at your issue from different angles and perspective. Hey everyone, I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, I will share about creative thinking and innovation. If you have not realized it, this is a time to think further into creative thinking capabilities of your team and yourself. Without thinking creatively, you will struggle with innovation. This is when you consider your innovative thinking converts or commercializes a creative idea into your practical application or usage for your consumer or customers. Hence, you benefit from knowing the application of both creative thinking and innovation practices. Give it a thought and do more creative thinking and innovation in your organization and your team.